this was highest point, and when I finish leveling, I still have a little bit gaps here because I'm not going so far. So what I can do, first of all, you see it's this straight edge going up a little bit, and somewhere here, I have little high spot, so I will grind a little bit here, then I put primer and slightly do patching with self-leveling compound. This is the barrel for 3 bags of self-leveling compound, and I put one bucket of water, and then I add primer to this water. So from my practice, I found if I add a little bit primer, so it looks like smoothie, easy work when I'm doing small patching. So this is Novoplan SP standard. It's called standard performance. I would say special performance. I start work with this material not so far, and I'm very excited because it's give it to me more time for leveling. It's drying not so fast like previous materials, and also I will show you one since I don't know why it's happened. So when I'm doing patching and leveling, if I overlap in highest spot and then next day check leveling, so if it's high spot and I put a little bit self-leveling compound over this spot, it looks like, you know, dark. But if you have a look on this picture, where is the dark spots, it's mean I overlap previous material. Where is the light spots, it means on the middle there was deep. Very easy to find where it was deep and where I have to grind. If it's dark spot, I just grind dark spot and that's it. So why I'm using grinder after I finish patching. So sometimes when you overlap, it's not perfect even. So just remove with grinder this imperfection, and that's it. And after that, when you grinding these edges, all connections with the floor, and when you fill up the lower spots, looks really good. Why I did this small patching? Because this whole house I did with different leveling spots. Somewhere it's level, somewhere just like I'm using straight edge. I connect here, I connect right there, and after, when you see I'm grinding, this is place I didn't level because this is the highest spot. You see where is the wood visible? It was highest spot. So by the end of the leveling, it looks like this, you know, whole this floor is good. So this is the next day I start installation vinyl floor. Very easy to install, and I was so excited when level very good, very easy to start installation, and you can make a lot of floor in one day. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.